So I'm at Google site here, so I'll click on blank site. So here I have insect, I have pages, and I have themes. I always love to start by determining how many pages do I want to create. For example, if you look at MD NCWD website, you can see that we have all these navigational bars that points to different pages. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages. So I'm going to create 2 more pages along with home. So I'll click here and I'll type about us. Then I'll click services. So you should design how on paper how your website will look like before you start working with your Google. So I've designed all my pages, how I want my pages to be. The next thing I'm going to do, so you see they are all showing here. The next thing I'm going to do, so I can open to these distinct pages. These are all distinct pages. So the next thing I'm going to do will be to choose a theme. The theme basically talks about the appearance. How do you want your website to look like? So this is the theme that is currently showing now. So I can click on Aristotle, you can see how it's appearing. I can click on Diplomat, Vision, you see how it's appearing. Then I have level, I can choose different navigational colors there. Then of course I also have impression, and of course I can alter the color the way I want it. So I'll go to Vision. So this is the one I want to work with. Under Vision, I can change this to whatever color I want for now, so by clicking here. So this is what I want. So now I've gotten my pages, I've gotten my theme, I'm using Vision. Then here under insert, what I'm going to do next, it will be to choose how I want this content to appear. So for example, if you look at this content box, you can see that you have a picture and a text section here. So you have two text boxes with pictures with text under them. Then you have this one has 3. So the designs are all there. Pictures with text under, then picture text. So this is, so you can choose any of these in any of the sections that you want. So at the beginning part, I will choose something like this. I'll pick this. So here, what this means is that I have 3 pictures here. Then under it, I'm going to pick the next one. So you can see this next one will have a picture with a text, Then I'm going to choose the 4th one that will have picture with text under. Then, so once I've gotten how my outline will be, then the next thing I'll do will be to start filling them up. Okay, so I have the option to add other things. For example, just under it, I can add a collapsible group. If I don't want that, I'll take that off. So any other thing you want, just click here and undo. Anything you want to add, just click on it. So I've added divider, undo, but I just want to close this by adding my I want to add a toolbar that will have this last footer. We call this the footer, this last section. So what will I do? I will just come here and for the last section, I'll just click on the text box that will have that. Then of course I can just copy this and I'll just type what is here. So I'll just have copyright at National Center for Women Development. So whatever you want to put there. So let's go up here. Then for example, this one now, so this is where my picture is going to be. So I'll just click here and click upload. Then I'll choose what I'm going to put there. I don't know if I have anything here. Let's see. I have an image here. I don't know what kind of image it is, so I have that. So let's take that out. Let's undo that. So I'll just pick something else. So let's see what's this. So let's view what we have here. I have a picture here. So that's the picture I want here. Then for the text, I can just copy anything from here, maybe this information, and paste it here. That's how you go around filling all this, get this the extra ones out. So that's how you fill all this. You can take a hyperlink. So here for my front end, you can also change this to something else. So you can navigate between the. So you do the same for the other pages and you fill up this. Then at the end, you publish your website. So I can click publish by clicking here. So website address will now use this. So it will be, you will have this site. So I will just call this JMU. So that means to open this site, I will need to go through. Okay, JMU has been taken. So JMUD, JMUD has been taken. So that I think this is free. So I'll publish it as this. Once you through, when it fix all what you want to fix, publish it as this. Then you click publish. So that's published. So anywhere in the world, anybody can open to this site by typing that address. So sites, let's go back and see what happens. My internet, you can see that it's opening here. So that's basically how to use Google site to build your website. Thank you for listening.